For today's nail art, we're doing some double stamping. I'm starting off with the color Devotion from China Glaze, and I'm adding a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the background, I'm going to stamp a grunge design from Lina Make Your Mark Plate 1, and the color is Twisted Obsession from Sinful colors. Over the background, I'm going to stamp a wave design using Lina Make Your Mark Plate 3. Remove the liquid latex and finish with a matte top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.